your ignition. Run your mouth but I never listen. You hold me back, will never last. Keep talking all your shit.
Hey Colorful Weirdos! My name is Nina and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Nina. So this video is just me thanking all of you guys who are supporting me and watching my videos from the very first start. As you can see from the title, I reached 1K subscribers already. My goal talaga this 2020 is to reach 1K subscribers once na nag-start na ako ng YouTube, and I got it. So thank you guys so much. Thank you for the people who believed in me. And I know 1K subscribers so small, 1K lang yan, ganito ganyan. Pero for me, or for all of us na nag-start lang ng YouTube channel, 1K subscriber is a big achievement for all of us small YouTubers. It means na we are doing something good and you're interested in my channel or my YouTube video. So yeah, it gives me more confidence. The main reason why I started a YouTube channel is really to share my passion on dyeing my hair, because a lot of you guys on my Instagram, I'm very active on Instagram, and a lot of you are asking me how I dyed my hair into pink color, into purple color, blue. How did you combine it? How did you achieve the blonde, the platinum blonde? How did you do that? Tapos sinabi sa akin ng mga friends ko and my family na why don't you start a YouTube channel and, you know, pour it all out doon as a tutorial and stuff like that. At that time, I was really shy and I don't know how to edit, so hindi ko muna siya, parang hindi ko siya inisip. And then, quarantine came. So, sabi ko, sige, let's do YouTube channel. I think I have time. Yeah, I did. So, here I am. And I thank hairpaintmnl for making me start my hair color journey. I promote their hair dyes in the past 5 to 6 years. I'm so happy na madami ng mga local hair dyes and madami tayong options ng mga CCU magko-color na ng hair. I've recently partnered up with BAD BTCH, the hair dyes. If you don't know, ito siya. Also, their brand name, yung nakita ko sa Facebook page, it speaks to me. BAD BTCH, diba? And I'm so happy na I'm part sa family nila. I want to promote brands na I really like. And if I don't like it, I'm gonna stop using it. And ayun, sa sobrang na-addict ko sa dyes ng BAD BTCH, ang dami ko ng hair colors na nagawa. I started with blue and emerald, unicorn hair, and the split dye. And it's crazy how this journey that I have this year actually inspired you guys to color your hair. It gave you confidence na, oh my gosh, buti ka pa, buti ka pa, hindi mo iniisip kung ano yung sinasabi ng mga tao. I've been there, done that, di ko na sila pinapansin. As in, wala akong pakialam. Wala akong pakialam kung green buhok ko or orange buhok, tapos pupunta ako somewhere. Parang, hindi, natatakot ba ako? No, I'm not anymore. And you guys are parang telling me na sobrang, may iba nakikita ko, sobrang na-inspire ako sa'yo. Now, they're coloring their hair purple, blue, pink without even thinking na bagay ba to sa akin, bagay ba to dyan, bagay ba yan. Ang secret kasi dyan is you have to be confident with your creation. Gawa mo yan eh. Gawa mo yung color mo. So, be confident kasi color na gawa niyan. Ganon! So, yeah. Nagre-review ako ng hair dyes. Nagre-review ako ng mga cosmetics. Actually, wearing yung mga nag-sponsor sa. So, this earrings is from thehope.ph. You can check them out on Instagram. This one is from rai.works Instagram too. So my lips are from Elitism. I combined two. Wala, nag-experiment lang ako. So this one is Mystic Chic and this one is Honeycomb. And finally, my hair, for sponsoring me. Thank you, BAD BTCH. This is from BAD BTCH, purely from BAD BTCH, Sapphire. And then Rose Quartz na may halong magenta from, the Rose Quartz is from BAD BTCH and the magenta is from Hairpaint. So yeah, I hope you like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you'll get notified when I have a new video. Thank you. And right now, I recently partnered from the start. Hey Colorful Weirdos, my name is Sina. And right now, I recently partnered.